we'll guide you through how to upload video on Trello. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to upload and manage video files easily in Trello. Many users need guidance on attaching videos to tasks for collaboration, reviewing content, or organizing media, so they can keep everything in one place and streamline their workflow more efficiently. To begin this tutorial, open your browser on your computer. Then go to Trello.com by typing the website address into the address bar and pressing enter. After the website loads, open the board you want to use so you can manage your tasks in the correct workspace. Next, click Add a Card to create a new task where you will upload a video. Enter a title according to your needs, for example, Upload Video on Trello, so the purpose of the card is clearly identified. Then click Add Card to save the task and add it to your board. After creating the card, click on the card that you have created to open its detailed view and access more options. Inside the card, click the Add button to open additional features that you can include in your task. From the available options, select Attachment so you can upload or link files to your card. Now you can choose to attach a file using a link or upload a file from your computer, depending on your preference and file location. For example, select Choose a File if you want to upload a video directly from your device. Next, choose a video from your computer, then click Open to start the upload process. Now you can see the video has been successfully uploaded to Trello and is attached to your task card for easy access. If needed, you can click on the video to preview it and make sure the correct file has been uploaded. This allows you to confirm the content without leaving the platform. After opening the preview, click the play button to play the video and check that it works properly. This step helps ensure that your video is accessible and ready to be used as part of your task or project. By following these steps, you can easily upload and manage video files directly within your Trello cards, making your workflow more organized and efficient.